Okay, see the ball is like this, so I can make it the line, this line first. I make it like this. Okay, later on I finish this minion, but the basic shapes how to draw. I make it circle like this, and the circle is a head is a bigger, like a big head, and the body is small. Body is small like this. Okay, fine. So you can create one circle bigger, big circle, and then another two circles small like this. Okay, like this, two circles small. Fine. So now you can see the same techniques, and I just add it like this. Okay, I just add it. Fine. So now I make in this circle, the top circle always I use the eyes. Top circle, middle. So this is top circle, this middle. All cartoon, if you're making the top circle, middle, I draw the eyes. Okay. So here I can draw two eyes, and that eye this is inside. See how to create this, make the circle using circle and creating. So this is upper circle for hand. You can use the hand upper circle, and lower circle you use the leg, right? So as same as I do the for the upper circle. This is the hand. You can create the hand. So I create hand like this. Okay. And lower circle I create here the leg. Okay. Like this. Very simple. I draw first. Okay. These are basic shapes. Okay. Creating the basic shapes. Understood? The basic shapes is very important. After the basic shapes you've done, see you can draw very easily the full. So create that. I just make it nicely. If you make the basic shape is properly, no? So you have no tension. You can make it. The head like this. You create the eyes. Yes. Okay, beta. Yeah. So you can make it like this. Okay. See, I just make it the same thing. Okay. But and now you can erase the all pencil shape. Okay, drawing whatever you are making before. How you create this fine. Okay, you just go ahead this line. Okay, just add the same in this only dress. When you creating the dress, so it looks more characteristic. I just add the dress. This character is the same. Yeah. Yes, beta. Okay, you are creating some flower. Nice. Yes. Yes. Very nice. I'm so proud of you today. You make the hand on pocket. It is watercolor, right? Very good. So I just add over here the leg part. See how nicely you can add this. This techniques use the circle techniques and creating amazing art form. Okay. Just go to over here. Okay. I hope I show some add-on new thing. Okay. So shiny beta. Oh, so sweet. Yeah, you can create your own ideas. That's a great. Okay. So now after that, if you wish to erase in the whatever you do before the line, you just erase it. Okay, nicely. Okay, you just erase these things. So I completely erase, and now you just want to make next drawing the same. This is drawing also. I make this same drawing. Okay, the same. And just make it to like this. Okay. Very simple. Take time and do your best. See? I make it like this. And now I can make the pant like this. Chins. Okay, very simple. Right? So you're just erasing this part after that. Okay, after that you're just erasing this part. You can make the draw over here. Okay, you can stand one big strand. So you can create the colors of banyan, you know, yellow, you are using this yellow color like this. So I can create that. Okay. Hands also the same color, yellow. in minion. Okay, only the legs you are using the sky first and then the cobalt blue, the low pants. Yes, better. Yes, yes, sky blue first. Then we can make it the second tone with the different color. Second tone I'm using the black, and the shoes also I'm using the first gray and second tone using black. This is the first tone I put. Okay. So now after that we are making this the second tone. We are making the second tone. This looks great with the orange. We can make it a little shading like this. Like this. Okay. We are making something. Hi Christina, good evening. Wait for minutes, Peter. Like this. The second tone I apply orange color. So looks great. I for the body, for the dress also I can use the deep blue. This is cobalt blue for the second tone. Okay. This is second tones I using over here. Okay. Sorry, beta.
Nothing, sir.
Make it boots like this. Just second tone. Make it a little dark colors. Any colors, whatever you use. Second tone you use little dark.
So can you hold your hand?
Yes, beta.
Yes, sir.
So you just making shading a color. Okay. Little 3 dimension. And here is a gray color, mainly on the glass. The gray color, huh? Like this. Okay.